Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime this evening. Did somebody say New Music Friday? Well, Masicka Aidonia dropped new music today, leaving fans in a frenzy. Masicka's new album, Generation of Kings, which was released at midnight, enters the US Reggae iTunes chart, surpassing Bob Marley's Legend, claiming both the number 1 and 2 spots. Yeah, the 17-track album features the likes of Popcorn, Dexter Daps, Spice, Chronic Law, and reggae singer Lila Ike, and delivers the message of light, overcoming, and success. Meanwhile, Dancehall star Aidonia released a new 23-track compilation titled Occupied Mind. The project documents a difficult period for the artist as he mourns the passing of his son Khalif. He died early this year from cancer. The artist stated that the compilation will serve as a keepsake for fans' insatiable appetite for new music. The EP features a single collaboration with Governor on Sorry One. The project is available on all major digital and streaming platforms. Good job, guys. Now to an E Prime follow-up. Memorable. That's how Chorus God 450 describes his experience in the UK as he reflects on his debut tour, adding that his UK debut was long overdue but got delayed due to unforeseen circumstances.
So I did actually have a tour a year back or so, but due to some unforeseen circumstances, I couldn't get fulfilled that, as I say. So it did get put off until now, which I feel like is the right time. Me see fit in my career, I could have go out there and make the right performance for my fans.
He also shares the highlight of the tour.
Did Birmingham, Bristol, London and Sheffield. But I don't know, the biggest crowd was the O2 night, London. To see so much fans forward out to see me perform and I sing my song the world for it was a memorable moment for me.
Now still on 450, he's in celebratory mode after ascending to the number 1 spot on Apple Music charts in 14 different countries with his hit single, Wild and Rich. The track is also the only dancehall song listed on Apple Music's top 25 for New York City.
So for now, I say, Wild and Rich, the number 1 in 14 countries, as I say, I'm the only artist in New York top 25 is a good feeling. As I say, it show me say the work my team I put in, it a work and the fans them appreciate the music I put out, so I'm grateful for that.
He credits the Open Verse Challenge on social media for part success of the single.
I got a lot of reactions online because of that also. As I say, enough fans, enough artists did make them own verse them to it and post them online, so that helped definitely.
Sashi is back! Renowned music festival Sashi is set to return to Ocho Rios from May 23 to 26 in 2024. The festival aims to focus on community development, economic empowerment, and the flourishing creative industry. The festival, led by founder Horatio Hamilton, aims to uplift local communities and contribute to the economic empowerment of Jamaicans. The Sashi Fashion Show will showcase the next generation of Jamaican designers, drawing attention from global buyers and funding agencies. Sashi is also embarking on an island-wide talent search to discover hidden gems within the creative industry. The return of Sashi marks a new chapter in its 22-year legacy with a strong focus on empowerment, community, and industry building. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching. Be safe.